Hi friends, I'm Sawan Kumar and I'm here to help you answer all the problems, question all the problems that you have in your life about your career, about your business, about your finance or whatever be it. And today this is going to be a mind-blowing thing for all of you. It is going to be for those people. This video is for all those people who say to themselves that certain things, because they are very tough, they do not want to do it. And then there are certain things that are very easy, and that is why they choose not to do it. So, we find these two types of people a lot in our life. More than 95% of the people around us, you would find that are of similar type. That is, they do not want to do the tough things and they do not also want to do the easy things because they are easy and simple. They think they are easy and simple to do when they are not. The problem here is, for the easy things, for the simple things that they think is simple and easy to do, they do not do because they do not know how tough they are. And for the tough things that they do not do because they think it is too tough for them to do, they do not, most obviously or probably do not know how easy it is to do, how easy it is to be successful, how easy it is to earn a lot of money for yourself. You probably do not know. You probably do not know how easy these things are. But to make these things easy, to make being successful easy, to make having a lot of money an easy thing for you, you have to start doing the easy things, the simple things first. If you are able to, moving a mountain would be tough, but moving a stone or moving a small piece of rock might not be that tough. It would be a relatively simpler exercise. By looking at the mountain, we might feel that it is going to be an impossible task to do. But we have seen people in the history who have moved mountains, who have done things that people consider to be impossible. How did they do it? What was their mindset behind doing those things? How did they achieve those impossible targets? How did they achieve things that were impossible? How did they train themselves? What did they say to themselves when they went out every morning and could not move the mountain even a millimeter? What kept them moving? What? There must be something, right? So if I plan to move a mountain and if the mountain does not move even a millimeter every day, I would be sad and mad and badly depressed about not being able to achieve anything. I will certainly be needing something that will keep me moving. I'll be needing something that will keep me moving and going. I'll need some motivation. I'll need some inspiration. And that motivation, that inspiration comes from the simpler things, comes from the smaller things, comes from the easier things. Earning money is simple. That is not easy, but it is simple. Morning walk, a simple thing to do, but not an easy thing to do. Getting up early, a simple thing to do, but not an easy thing to do. Eating healthy, a very simple thing to do, but not an easy one. Staying in discipline, a very simple thing to do, but is it easy? It's not. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, a simple thing, but is it easy? Is it an easy thing to do? Have you been able to do that even though you know this fact? So these are a few simple things that are really simple but are not really easy to do. And if you can work on making or work on these simpler things in your life, work on these relatively easier things in life, if you can work on them and work on them consistently, you can move the mountains. You can achieve the unachievable. You can make the impossible possible by just doing these small, simple and easy tasks. You just have to do what? You just have to make sure that you do it and you do it every single day. These small things These are the building blocks which we consider to be very easy ones and we ignore to do. These are the building blocks. These are going to be the vehicle that would be helping you in moving that mountain, in achieving that impossible, in achieving that greatness that you consider to be impossible, in making an aeroplane fly when nobody else could have thought of it, in making a light bulb glow when nobody else could have thought of it, in making a car run by electricity, charged by electricity, and still make it look sexy and colorful. It would not be that if they would have not taken care of the smallest of the things in the life. Only if you do this, you have the highest chance of being successful with whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to do in your life. And what else? That is what we want. That is all that we want in our life. And we keep struggling because we keep ignoring the easier things, the simpler things, and we do not attempt to go to the tougher things. And we keep leading an average life, doing the average things which we see everybody else doing every single day. Snoozing the alarm button, not working out, not eating healthy, partying, not sleeping early, not getting up early, and doing so many things that all the average people around us are doing. So do you want to be among those average people? If not, then you have to start from the bottom. That is where you build the base. That is where you build the pillar. That is where you grow. That is where you get stronger. And that is something that is going to keep you moving when the times are tough. When the times are tough, when the targets are tough, when everything is bad, the weather is bad, this strong background, this strong pillar, this strong base is going to keep you fixed, keep you strong, and keep you moving in the toughest of the times. You do not have time to be average. You should not be thinking of doing the average. You should not think of being the average when you can be the best. Why? Why think of being average when I can be the best? Why think of just being good when I can be the best? Why? Why compromise with being good or average or better when I can be the best? I deserve. When I ask for the best things in my life, I also have a responsibility of giving the best things to my life. When I want the best things in my life, I have the responsibility to give back the best to the life that I have got, and I make sure that I give my best and you give your best to the life. So, wish you all the best in becoming successful, and keep working on the easier things, the simpler things, and you will automatically see that you are closer, and you are not now making excuses for the tougher and the bigger things in your life. All the best from me, Sawan Kumar, and see you another day with another video helping you to grow and be successful. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.